Hello and good morning, my all dear viewers. This is Deepak Jain, the director of English Mania, and today in my institute English Mania, I am going to conduct a discussion, and it is about COVID-19 and the orders of government about schools, colleges, and the coachings. You know, the government announced that schools and the colleges and the coachings will be off. So, what is your opinion, or what do you personally think about this? So, we are going to have a constructive or healthy discussion on it. So, let's share your views because I have some of my students here. So, Mr. Homendra,
Yes, sir.
let's begin from you.
Okay, sir. And my name is Homind Kumar, and I am a student of English Mania coaching. Okay. And I would like to say that when government organizes order and organizes rallies, so why can't we go to school? We can go and we can go to college. We can go to college and we can maintain distance because the coronavirus is going on. So we should follow precautions and we should maintain distance. And I think 30 to 50 student would be in class. So we can conduct. We can start college, but government doesn't want to start college and they closed schools.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
you strongly oppose.
Yes, sir.
You strongly oppose
Yes.
the opening of the closing of the schools and the colleges and the
Yes.
coachings, or you want to say when the government can do the rallies,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
Or the many governmental works are going on,
Yes.
like people go to bank, है ना?
Yes, sir.
What do? They wear mask and follow distance.
Yes, sir.
So by wearing mask and following the distance, why can't the schools and the coachings run? Na? That is what your statement
Yes,
is.
yes, sir.
So now let me listen to Mohini. Mohini, what do you have to say?
So I want to say that yes, it is not good for us and for children also. That what's the going on is it is only for pandemic. And if any disease is there, then we can't stop our study and our learning. Whatever the going on because of only this pandemic, that government has just closed the schools and coachings and colleges
Okay.
because of this pandemic.
Okay, now I have a question then, because people are, or especially the parents are worried about their children or the kids, okay? And what would you like to say to those parents? Because you are also the kids of, some parents, right?
Yes.
So on what basis are you coming, or on what basis did you continue your learning? I mean, are you not afraid of corona? Why have you been coming to coaching? Why have you been coming to coaching?
So yes, we are afraid from corona.
We are
but
afraid of corona.
We are afraid
Of.
of corona,
Hmm.
but we are just maintaining the distance, wearing mask, and keep the sanitizer with us. So the same thing parents say to us that if you are following rules and regulation, then you can do whatever you want to do.
Okay.
Just because there is.
So you mean to say that your parents are sensible?
Yeah.
They say that wear mask and maintain the distance and do your task,
Yes.
right? But they don't stop you
Yes.
from learning, right? Yes. What else do you want to say?
So this is the thing that we can't stop our learning because of any disease. If disease is going on, pandemic is going on, then let it be. But if you are following the rules and regulation, then you can do whatever you want to do. You should not stop your learning and just follow the rules and regulation. This is the main thing.
But what do you think? Because government stopped it and closed it. So could the government not think? Could the government of this, state, UP or India not think of this solution that the schools and the coachings can run? And by following the distance and by wearing the mask, it can run. So did the government not think of it? Then why did government impose the closing of the institutes and the schools and the colleges? What do you want to say?
I don't know about government, but it was the government decision. It was the decision of the government. But I would like to say that people and parents are worried about their also their children's future. But and they are worried about their study if they go to school and they can be affected from the coronavirus and after that because nowadays so you know that it is going on a scam. I think a scam is going on in hospitals, but you can say nowadays oxygen is not available in hospitals and doctors don't take care of there because one of my friends said to me there was a lady and he was down
She-
with
she.
she was down with any disease.
Hmm.
So they took her to the hospital.
Hmm.
Then doctor refused him to take care,
Hmm.
and they to treat, because there is no place and their bed are not free.
Hmm.
So you should take her to the home.
Hmm.
And you should take care of lady
Hmm.
at the home.
Okay.
So, yes sir.
This is about the hospitals, right?
Yes, sir.
Now Mohini is going to tell us about the institutions or the education, the condition.
So what I believe that education and the learning and the coachings and the institutes should not be stopped, because the government allowed the rules and regulation, I know, but because of this pandemic, what government allowed that because of those children, those don't want to learn English, don't want to learn anything, and don't do study at their home also. Whatever they are doing at home, they are just relaxing at the time, and they are just wasting their time.
Okay.
But I believe that because of those persons who are saying that exams should be
Postponed.
not postponed, they should be cancelled.
Okay.
The government has postponed it, and they are opposing this thing, that why government postponed it, exam should be cancelled.
So you mean to say this is the mentality of the students who don't want to study and who did not study the entire year, they would want that the exams to be cancelled, right?
Yes, sir.
That's what you want to say. So the students who were not studious, who didn't study, they want to oppose even the postponing of the exams, right? Or the students who didn't study, they just want exams to be cancelled, right? Similarly, there are many non-ambitious people, right?
Yes.
Ambitious people want to study. Ambitious people want to do the business or do the task, right? They want to earn money, they want to learn, but the non-ambitious people just want an excuse not to do the things. बी इट स्टूडेंट्स, यानी कि चाहे वो स्टूडेंट्स हों, चाहे वो बिजनेसमैन हो या वर्कर्स हों, राइट? सो दे वुड स्टे होम एंड दे वुड ओबे द गवर्नमेंट. बट व्हाट अबाउट दोज पीपल who don't have any backup or any background? How would they earn? What would they eat, right? Because all the parents are not rich to feed their children. So what would you say about this?
Sir, they can depend on government because government stopped at the any shop, and you can't open any shop, and you can't go to your school, because if it is going on, sir, it keeps on going on, sir. So I think after 1 year you will get also a degree by sitting at home, and at that time you will think that I am graduate person. But if you go to any interview, at that time you will not have knowledge, and you will be rejected definitely, because you don't have knowledge and you didn't study. Then what according to me, what will you do? So you should study at your home. If you can go to any coaching, if you can join any coaching, so you should join any coaching. You can see here we are using mask, and we are using we are maintaining distance, so it is there. So according to me, you should study. And
Okay, so Mr. Homendra, you said here we are learning English
Yes.
by wearing mask
Yes, sir.
and maintaining the distance,
Yes, sir.
right? But government ordered to close the coachings. So is the government fool? That can't government think of this solution that the people can maintain distance and wear mask the way they do in the banks? Did you not see in the banks they wear mask and maintain the distance, right? And I also saw reality shows. The reality shows are still running, right? What do? The contestants are there, they follow the distance, they don't even wear mask, right? They follow distance, they don't go close to each other. Rather मैंने देखा है कुछ reality shows में people come close to each other, because when let's say somebody performed very good, okay, then they become emotional, they are overwhelmed, then the person goes to hug. Yesterday I was watching DID, so you know, one boy performed really good, then Geeta Kapoor, the judge, she came close to that boy and she hugged him. Then was corona not there? Let me tell you, these are the ambitious people,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
The ambitious people don't stop their work, because even if they have a lot of money, those ambitious people or the leaders have a lot of money, they have backup, right? If you go to a leader, definitely nobody has less than crores of rupees, right? 1 crore is minimum. They must have that much of backup. Okay. So despite having crore rupees, that person is ambitious, doesn't stop. यानी कि नेता है, 1 करोड़ रुपए होने के बावजूद भी they don't stop rallies. They are ambitious, right? They want to maintain their status. They want to hold the designation. उस पे बने रहना चाहते हैं. Why? Because they are ambitious. And the person, the people, the common people, they have nothing. They have no backup. But they stop themselves. वो अपने आप को रोकते हैं, right? They don't learn, they don't earn, है ना? And this is what government wants, that those people not to learn, not to earn. Do they have backup? So despite not having backup, they stop, right? And the people in the reality shows, they are rich people, right? The judges and all, they are rich people. The cricketers who play IPL, they are rich people, right? They are not starving. वो भूखे नहीं मर रहे हैं, right? Still they want to play, or the games continue, right? Games continue, okay? Reality shows continue, and the people don't learn from the reality shows, okay? That they don't see that in these reality shows corona is going on, but the reality show is on, right? But because these people don't stop, because they are ambitious people, they find out the solutions. So that is my question is, why doesn't the public find out of solutions? So Mohini, what would you like to say on it?
Sir, this is the main thing, that people don't want to learn at this time also, that we have wasted our 1 year. Wasted our 1 year. Then the people who are just wasting nowadays also, that they should think about this thing, that the pandemic is going on, and it would be
and it would continue.
It would be continued, but
next year also.
Next year also. That's a scientific reason as said about the behind this disease. So we should not think about this thing, that pandemic is going on. So we can't do anything. We can do with the means just follow the rules and regulation. Just if you have the good immunity system, and vaccine is also there now. Vaccine, every person is vaccinated nowadays, because just register fill the form of online. If you are afraid, then just have the vaccination. Then after that you can go whatever you can go anywhere. But with the help of after vaccinating, you should not think about this thing, that we will not be suffered from corona.
Still be safe.
Still they say, but still we will face. But we should not mean so much careless that we are nowadays.
Okay, that's what you want to say, right? You want to say that people should not stop. They are learning, earning, education. Rather, they should wear mask and get vaccinated, right? And maintain the distance like this. So are not your parents worried about you? Because in most of the cases, students are ambitious. They want to learn. They want to come. They want to continue learning. But the parents deny. They say कि जान है तो जहान है, right? So what would you like to say about it, Mr. Homendra?
Sir, this जान है, it is the only proverb according to me. And you have seen many people and they say that, and समर जैसे कि गर्मी आने वाली है सर, बहुत से लोग कहते हैं कि गर्मी आने वाली है तो हमें छत पर कटोरी में पानी रखना चाहिए, पक्षी प्यास से मरेंगे और वो पिएंगे। मगर वही लोग मेरी नज़र में सबसे ज़्यादा मुर्गा खाते हैं, और नौता स्टार्ट होने वाले होते हैं उससे एक दिन पहले वो चिकन और खाते हैं। तो वही लोग ये बातें करते हैं सर।
अच्छा अच्छा, these are the dialogues,
yes sir,
right?
Yes,
so okay, that's what Homendra rightly said. I mean, when these people who deliver dialogue, they also don't follow, right?
Yes, sir.
The people who follow the government, right? Then first of all, those people should think about themselves. वो गवर्नमेंट जिसको वो फॉलो कर रहे हैं, these people are rich people and they have built their career. उनका करियर बिल्ट है, crores of rupees they have, right? And they are the DM, CM and the PM, right? And but who are you? Who are you, right? You are nobody, right? So despite being CM, DM, PM, they don't stop their work. Okay, they get money. But despite having nothing, यानी तुम लोगों पे कुछ ना होने के बावजूद भी, है ना, your career is not built because you are going to build your career. You are going to make your future bright. The future is your current or your career is not bright. You are going to make it bright, right? Yes. So then why should the people like you stop learning, earning, and why should you follow the government? I am not asking you to ignore the disease, okay? Wear a mask, maintain the distance, then do all the tasks the way these people are doing in the reality shows, okay? they are not stopping. Are they being stopped?
No,
No,
sir.
they continue.
Yes, they
So we should learn from these people.
Yes.
Yesterday I was watching reality shows. Then I thought of it that these people don't stop. Kapil Sharma show was running last year also. Okay,
Yes.
they made some cutouts. जैसे नकली पब्लिक बिठा दी पीछे, and but the show was on, and the people, हम लोग मतलब idle people who were sitting idle
Yes.
had nothing to do. We were watching those shows and we were increasing their TRP,
TRP.
right?
Yes, sir.
By stopping our work, our learning,
Yes.
our earning. We were increasing their TRP.
Yeah.
Obviously, in these days when people are sitting idle at home, what would they do? They would watch IPL
Yes.
and increase their TRP. They would watch Kapil Sharma show
Yes.
and increase their TRP. They would watch DID, Indian Idol, and increase their TRP, right?
Yes.
And or many people will watch, they will listen to Mr. Modi, Mr. Yogi, right?
Yes.
And then politics will also run
Yes.
because people have nothing to do now. They are jobless.
There.
Okay,
Yes.
so what would these people do? The students and the youth, okay, so they would only watch these serials and increase their TRP.
Yeah.
But at the end, what would you get? This is the thing. Finally, what is the purpose? अब here I would also like to add one thing that many people say कि because आपका नुकसान हो रहा है ना, because you are facing a loss, that's why you are shouting,
Yes.
right? But this is true. Only wearer knows where the shoe pinches. When it would come to you, then you would also shout.
Yes.
You would also shout, isn't it?
Yes.
So
Yes.
this is the veracity or the reality of life. Okay,
Yes.
so the question arises and nobody can answer this question. Why did not these leaders, politicians stop their rallies? Because
sir.
these politicians are ambitious.
Yes, sir.
और चूंकि वो ambitious है ना, इसीलिए politicians हैं,
Sir.
है ना? और इतना कुछ अर्न करने के बाद भी, सब कुछ करने के बाद भी, है ना, एक अच्छे पोजीशन पे होने के बाद भी, then they don't stop.
Yes, sir.
Do they?
No, sir.
No, they don't stop, right? और हम लोग यहाँ पे मतलब we people are nothing, doing nothing, और हम कुछ नहीं है और we stop.
Yes.
अपना काम धंधा लर्निंग, जैसे हमने बहुत करोड़ों रुपए कमा के छोड़े हुए हैं ना बैकअप में, तो हम बैठ के खा लेंगे, राइट? एंड फॉलो द गवर्नमेंट, the same government which doesn't stop itself,
Yes.
because rallies continue, their work continues,
Yes, sir.
right? So by wearing mask, by following the distance, can't we run the coachings, the institutes? We can,
Yes,
right?
we can.
So what would you like to say? Did I say anything wrong about it? What are your
Sir,
views?
whatever you said, it was absolutely right, and we should maintain the distance. With the maintaining distance, we can do and we can run any coaching institute. And I know that there are a lot of students in schools, colleges. Then we can make some rules and regulation regarding it. And like that, because of pandemic, we have cancelled exams. So government should do this thing that the states who are in red zone, then the exam should be online in that states. But
Or
the states,
oh, why to cancel exam? I'm asking you. I mean, can't in exam obviously people sit at a distance,
Yes.
because it is the exam, so that cheating not to take place. So by maintaining the distance, I'm asking you, why can't exam take place? This is the question.
so because of children are opposing the government that if exam is conducted, then we will not go. Maybe that they are saying that only that cancel the exam. Also parents are saying even.
Okay, I am not asking, I am not talking about those students who didn't study. Obviously, they would want exams to be cancelled.
Yes,
But
yes,
there are
sir.
many students are there who want the exams to be conducted. And why? What is wrong in conducting the exam? Maintain the distance and let them wear mask and maintain the distance.
Yes.
What's wrong in the exam? Why would they come close to each other during the exam? Why would they come close to each other?
Yes, sir. This is the main thing. That's this is the very right thing, that maintaining the distance, and exam is there, and we know the distance is there in exam. So there is no solution that government has cancelled the exam. So I don't. think so.
That's what I am saying. The government should rather think of the solutions. ऐसे solutions किसी का काम भी ना रुके, अर्निंग भी ना रुके, लर्निंग भी ना रुके, और कोरोना से बचे भी रहें. That is the sensibility. I appreciate, or I mean, this decision of government would be commendable. Otherwise, what I personally think, that the government doesn't think of the common people. If the government shows off, or if the government pretends to be very much emotional towards the poor people, no, it is not. Okay, I would appreciate the government if this government had been thinking of poor people or the people of middle class. because the solutions can be there.
Yes.
Okay, but why would the government be serious? So what I would say to you, I mean, you have to be serious about your career. Okay, the way the people in the reality shows are serious. So although government has denied to organize everything, but they did not stop.
Yes.
है ना? They ran their show, right? Many people in the banks, when you go to a bank, they maintain the distance, but the bank hasn't been stopped.
Yes.
Right? So does the corona enter only the educational sectors? Obviously no. Okay, so in the educational, right now see the scene. I am here at a distance.
Yes.
Right? 2 गज की दूरी and mask है जरूरी. You are wearing mask.
Yes.
I am at a distance. Right? So much of distance is there and learning is going on. So what's wrong in this? Who can come here and oppose this? By following the guidelines, can't we run? No, who is the government to say close and you follow the order? Then see the scene behind that. Okay, you say close, then who would give the rent of the building? How would the person eat?
Yes, sir.
You have the backup. है ना? The politicians who order have the backup for sure. But does everybody have the backup? And do you have the backup?
No, sir.
मैंने कहा
I don't
ना,
have.
उनके गवर्नमेंट के पास में सपोज 1 करोड़ रुपया है, तुम पे है.
No,
Do
sir,
you
I
have?
don't
Do
have.
you have?
No, sir.
फिर तुम पे करोड़ रुपए नहीं है ना.
Nothing.
So why would you follow? So guys, this is the thing I wanted to say, and through this video, and it was a nice discussion. So please wear a mask and do not stop your task. Maintain the distance and make the balance. Balance मतलब क्या? आपकी learning का, earning का और safety का भी. ठीक है ना? I am not asking you to ignore the pandemic or the disease. I agree, disease is there, but still the work, the learning and the earning is also more important. तो बजाय खुद को रोकने के think of the solutions. Okay? क्योंकि ना करना आसान है, करना मुश्किल होता है. Making career is not that easy. So think of your career, क्योंकि जिन लोगों का ऑर्डर आप फॉलो कर रहे हो, पहले ये देख लो वो कौन है और तुम कौन हो. Who the hell are we and who are they? ओके, सो सी द डिफरेंस. हम लोग करियर बना रहे हैं, उनको बना चुके हैं. आई एम आस्किंग यू, आई मीन, आर यू द डीएम, सीएम और पीएम? आर यू डीएम, सीएम और पीएम?
I am normal person.
कैन यू इवन थिंक ऑफ बीइंग डीएम, सीएम और पीएम?
Yes.
नो. और हाँ, यू कैन थिंक, राइट? यू आर ट्राइंग गोइंग टू बी आईएएस ऑफिसर,
Yes, yes.
राइट? बट यू आर नॉट.
Yes.
अभी तो नहीं हो ना, राइट? But they are
They
okay, they are IAS and DM, CM. So obviously they are at a very high position. They can order.
Yes, sir.
But who are you? Who are we? Right? So this is the case. So before following the orders, see your condition, see your position, think of your aim, ambition. अगर आप ambitious हैं तो आप बिल्कुल रुकने वाले नहीं होते. Ambitious people, they think of the solutions. और non-ambitious people find out the excuses. Right? वो तो जब ये non-ambitious है ना, वो तो जब ये पेंडेमिक नहीं भी होगी, खत्म भी हो जाएगी, दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू डू एनीथिंग.
Yes, sir.
द नॉन एम्बिशियस पीपल. ओके, सो वी हैव टू थिंक ऑफ इट. दैट्स व्हाट आई वांटेड टू से. वुड यू लाइक टू से समथिंग ऑन इट?
Yes, sir. Because government stopped his rally, and government saying that you should not close, you should not open your shop, and you should not go anywhere. So government, why doesn't government think about the electricity bill? According to me, government
Electricity bill and the rent.
Yes, and government should think about it.
Because according to the government, everybody has his own house.
Yes.
Because government has allocated all the house to all the people. So nobody is living on rent. है ना? Everybody has backup. Everybody has money to pay the electricity bill.
Yes, sir.
Right? So that is what government thinks. The government doesn't think of those people who don't have.
Yes.
The government says that like we will distribute 5 kilo anaj, 5 kg grains or like that.
Yes, sir.
But what about the electricity bill? वो कौन देगा?
Yes.
Government अनाज देगी, but who will pay the electricity bill? Who will pay the rent of the building? That is the question. Who can answer this question? Answer, please.
No one, sir. No one will give answer.
No,
Yes.
think of any answer.
Yes.
On what basis government said this?
Yes, sir.
That it would be off, that would be off, coaching would be off, like this.
But the source of government, they are not, and they didn't stop that source. Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's all I wanted to say. Thank you so much and take care and bye now.